Xiaohongshu, also known as Little Red Book, is a popular Chinese social media and e-commerce platform where users can share lifestyle content, reviews, and recommendations. Here's how you can make money on Xiaohongshu. Create high-quality content. Share engaging content related to beauty, fashion, travel, food, or any niche you're passionate about. Quality content that resonates with your audience will attract followers and increase engagement. Influencer marketing. As your following grows, brands may reach out for collaborations. Influencers on Xiaohongshu can promote products through sponsored posts or affiliate marketing. You can earn by showcasing products or services that align with your niche. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs where you earn commissions by sharing affiliate links to products. Xiaohongshu has integrated shopping features, allowing users to purchase items directly through content. You can recommend products and earn a percentage of each sale. Sell your own products. If you have a brand or products to sell, you can open a store within Xiaohongshu and use your content to promote and sell items. Many creators profit from selling items like beauty products, fashion accessories, and other niche goods. Live streaming. Like other platforms, Xiaohongshu offers live streaming where you can engage with your followers in real time. Through live streaming, you can accept virtual gifts and earn money.